Hello viewers, welcome to another video of mine. Jai Ma Kali. Welcome to this video where I would be discussing about Moon in the Capricorn zodiac sign, Makar Rashi. Moon is all about your emotional side of life, your mind, your mother, your mental balance, and Capricorn moon sign literally means Moon in the house of Saturn. So what happens when your moon is in the sign of Capricorn in your birth horoscope? Moon in Capricorn will be inclined towards being focused. They will look for precision, nobility, ethics, civility, lofty goals, career, great achievements, dedication, authority figures, ordered hierarchy, stability, virtues, productiveness, valuable hard lessons learned. They will believe in destiny, traditions, structures, protective roles, and balance in life. Focusing on karma will be a part of their everyday life. But Moon in Capricorn will have their limitations, restrictions, boundaries, anxieties, tests, practicalities, realities, and will value time. Moon in Capricorn will always tend to have a sense of duty, commitment, responsibility, including their physical and emotional endurance in times of hardships. Moon in Capricorn also represents the part of a person's concern with long-term planning or foresight. Capricorn moon needs to feel useful and productive. They are competent and collected even when their emotions are churning beneath the surface. Capricorn moon goes for realistic goals and clear boundaries. They are not risk takers. Capricorn moon much prefer security and safety and plan ahead for every eventuality. Capricorn moon does not deal with all those messy emotions they are frightened of. Capricorn moon can have some mood swings and can dip pretty far into the darkness themselves. The Capricorn moon sign person is their own worst critic and they can be really hard on themselves. Capricorn moon often hide their own sensitivity behind a sarcastic demeanor. They are painfully aware of their faults and weaknesses and try very diligently to compensate for them. Moon in Capricorn may come across as cold and calculating, but in reality, they just don't feel comfortable letting their feelings hang out in public. Capricorn moon prefer to be organized and efficient, practical to the bone. Those born under this moon sign have a strong need to feel worthwhile. Capricorn moon want to be respectable in the eyes of others, patient and able to endure quite a bit. Capricorn moon has a very big sense of duty. They jump to take responsibility on the job or at home. Capricorn moon may feel that they give more than they get, and it takes a lot for them to learn that others are giving back to them. Capricorn moon are often unable or unwilling to see what their partner needs or wants. Capricorn moon tends to worry and find it difficult to relate to those who have different values and opinions. They have a hard time discussing their own problems. It is rare that Capricorn moon feels relaxed and content within themselves. They fear rejection. Unless every day is outlined clearly, they feel insecure. It may take them a long time to find someone to trust and love. Capricorn moon mellow with age as competition isn't so important and can genuinely be a lot of fun as they get older. Capricorn moon likes to get their own way. They can be ambitious and strong of will, especially as it helps their own career. They like the spotlight and do well in public positions. Often very intelligent, Capricorn moon have a great respect of knowledge and they know how to use it to their benefit. They do have a problem with holding anger and resentment deep inside and can actually cause illness or depression within themselves because they don't deal with their feelings. Moon in Capricorn is dignified and tenacious. They are able to concentrate well and do not like to be idle. They can motivate others. In other words, they can be good motivational speakers. When Capricorn moon do lose control, you might as well be standing in the shadow of Mount Vesuvius. Luckily, this doesn't happen very often. Today, I'm gonna tell you all the remedy on how you victims can nullify the bad effects of afflicted moon in your moon sign, Capricorn. By afflicted, I mean if the planet moon is in conjunct or aspected by Rahu, Ketu or Saturn. If your moon is under the bad influence of Rahu, Ketu or Saturn, you can neutralize the evil effects through this remedy. If an afflicted moon is traumatizing you, not letting you eat, think, work, drink or sleep, then you can complete this remedy. I can guarantee y'all, if y'all complete this remedy which I'm gonna tell y'all, you will get that joy, that fun, that happiness, that laughter, that life full of positive energy soon. You will start to experience that mental joy in life which was lost. Here is the solution for y'all. Here is the remedy for y'all. If you are longing that you or your loved one leads a normal life, then listen to this carefully and execute the remedy with full faith and full belief. Your road to a calm and peaceful life starts now. There are 3 steps of this remedy. The first step is that on a Saturday, you have to take 8 pieces of camphor, 5 spoons of salt, 5 spoons of sugar, 5 spoons of rice, 5 green chilies and 6 red chilies. Place all these things on an orange cloth and then tie that cloth. Take that orange cloth in your hand now. Remember your God and rotate it 16 times around your head in an anti-clockwise direction. Once this process is complete, take that orange cloth, bundle, put some oil on that cloth and burn it outside your house or your building. The second step is that on a Saturday, you have to take 2 threads. One thread should be white and the other should be orange. Hold both the white and orange threads together and tie 2 knots on it. The knots should be tied in such a manner that they are approximately equidistant from each other. Now take 4 pieces of dried red chilies and rotate those 4 pieces of dried red chilies around those white and orange threads 6 times in a clockwise direction, and then throw those 4 pieces of dried red chilies in a sewer where those orange and white threads curled together on your right leg ankle. The final step is that you have to give 100 rupees to 4 different poor people. That is 400 rupees on a Saturday. You have to give this for 4 consecutive Saturdays. If you are staying abroad, give $1 to 4 different poor people on a Saturday. You also have to do this for 4 consecutive Saturdays. If you do these remedies with faith and belief, I can guarantee y'all that you will get relief from that afflicted moon in the next 90 days. Ladies and gentlemen, if y'all think y'all need a stronger remedy against that afflicted moon, y'all need a stronger protection, then I wish to inform y'all that with the blessings of my God, Jai Ma Kali, I do a special prayer for people who have an afflicted moon. The cost of that prayer comes to 2600 rupees. If you are sending the money from abroad, please send 43 US dollars. People who wish to get this prayer done for themselves or their relative may contact me over WhatsApp. If these remedies of mine solve your problem, which I am sure it will, then please do like my video, subscribe to this channel and share this video with your family and friends so that they also benefit from these remedies. Subscribing to my channel can not only protect y'all in your life, but also can help y'all avoid possible disasters in your life. Well, if y'all wish to know your future through astrology, then y'all can contact me. If y'all want to live the best possible version of yourself, then y'all can contact me. If y'all want a life full of love, peace, positivity and prosperity, then y'all can contact me. If y'all want to take your life from the ridiculous to the sublime, from nothing to something, then y'all can contact me over WhatsApp. Have a great day and a great life ahead. God bless y'all. Jai Ma Kali.